Erickson.
Great. Profiles, please. Excellent. Good, good, good. Let's look at this guy. Excellent. So let's start to think about this. So that's totally fine. That's a great slate. Totally worked for me, and it's not going to do anything. You know, it's not going to make or break your audition. When you get into these personality slates and you go in a room and there's like 6 people and they ask you these stupid questions, you know, and then half of LA is in the room too. I mean, they call everybody in. A lot of that time right there, majority of that stuff, the directors are going off of, they're going to go off of the slate for a lot of those situations right there. So what we're going to do today is, I want you to think of somebody in your life that's like the most important person to you, and someone that kind of lights you up when you speak to that person. It doesn't need to be someone you're dating or a significant other. It could be a family member. It could, you know, it could be anything like that. I didn't mean to say doesn't, but it could be anyone like that. Okay. Someone once said, "Oh, I was looking at my dog." Don't choose someone that's not going to speak back to you, or don't choose a celebrity because you don't know a celebrity that personally, unless you know them personally and have a history with them. But the idea is this. There's going to be 4 points. When you start off, when you look in the camera here and you say your name, it's as if you're saying it to that person there, okay? So you're going to start off, you're going to look there, and I just want you to see that person at first, okay? And it's just like, they make you light up a little bit. So start off with a little bit of a smile, you know? Like, hey, what's your name?
Hey guys, my name's John Erickson.
There you go. So now it's just like any scene. You have a purpose, who you're talking to, why you're talking to them. Same thing here. It's like you're introducing yourself to this person again. Now, if you have a history of this person, it's going to be weird introducing them, but you can kind of put it back to like remembering the first time you met this person, how awesome it was, okay? So we'll start off with that person's here, and then I'll say, go to profiles. Let me see profiles. So switch to profiles. So stop right there. As you go to profile there, boom, wow, that person's there again. Hey, there you go. See that smile?
I'm laughing at the wall.
Yeah, exactly. And then you go to the other side. Oh, there they are again. Yeah. And then come back to camera, and then here they are again. It's as if you're saying a goodbye to them. Okay.
All right.
Now, it seems weird, and when you're there, don't like, hey, how you doing? Just keep you present, because what happens quite a bit is people are just like, we get a lazy actor syndrome, and do not do this. It's literally like, hey, my name's George Ketzios, profiles. And you turn your head like this.
Yeah.
You turn your head like, it just reads that, number one, like you don't give a shit at all. And it just reads very unprofessional. So if you're having a bad day, put on that bullshit mask, see that person. Oh, great. It's about John right there. Yeah.
I like that.
Oh, there he is again. Hey, dude, how you doing? Oh, you're fast. You can run up there. Hey, man, great. Let's go grab a beer. Let's get the fuck out of here. So you get the idea? So it just keeps you present at all. Another reason we do this is because once you start auditioning on a frequent basis, you forget all of this stuff. And it's nice to randomly just check back into this, okay? It just keeps you present right off the bat. It also keeps you present for when you're getting ready to do whatever your work you're gonna do, that this actor doing this is not gonna bring shit to the table when they're doing that. But this actor that's playing that mind game of like, oh, there's so-and-so, there they are, is gonna be ready. It's like open, like, let's play, I wanna have fun, okay? So,
cool.
Let's just try it again. And standing by, look right to camera, and perfect. Hey, what's your name?
Hey guys, my name's John Erickson.
And profile, please. And face camera.
Got it.
There you go. Badass. That was very good. You guys see the difference between the first time you did it and now?